everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Makeup Fun with Olivia. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new here, a hearty welcome to you. I hope you have a little bit of fun with me. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Let's get the party started. Today we're going to be talking about my September Stitch Fix. For those of you that don't know what Stitch Fix is, if you're a little bit challenged in the fashion department, which I am, I'm short, I'm chunky, I'm curvy, so it is really frustrating for me to go shopping because I either can't find what I like, find something that I like but it fits awful on me, come out practically crying from the stores and depressed because everything looks so horrible on me. But Stitch Fix seems to have figured out the solution for me. I get a personal stylist who chooses items for me. I get them sent to my doorstep every month for a $20 monthly styling fee. They send about 4 to 5 items. If I end up loving them all and keeping them, then I get 25% off of the total. That's an incentive to keep everything right. If I don't like anything, then they get to keep the $20 styling fee. That's never happened to me yet. I've never not gotten at least one, because you can like some and not like the other ones, and they send you this handy little bag which you're about to see, and you put your items in there that you don't want, those go back, and you keep the ones you do want. So let's jump in. You guys ready? This is what my box looks. I haven't opened it. I just now slit this open so that I can share it with you guys. And you have the option to change your stylist every month if you want. Once I found my stylist, I have not changed her in a hot minute. She's been with me for a few months and she gets me, you guys. And every month you can give or send your stylist a little note, or not every month actually, whenever you want, you can just send in a little note saying, oh, I need this, I need that, I have a barbecue coming up, I have a wedding, I need a dress, or tell them I like this, I don't like this, which you kind of end up answering at the very beginning, which I forgot to mention. You do take a little quiz. I like this, I don't like this, blah, blah, blah. Don't send me shoes, don't send me accessories, stuff like that. So I do recommend, because some people don't have that much luck with their stylist, and I think it's because I give them so much feedback. I created a folder on Pinterest, which they suggest you do, and I just started adding stuff to that Pinterest account so they could see the types of fashion that I like. So anyways, in the past, I had been requesting items for, send me stuff for home. I need stuff that's comfy, maybe some sweatpants, but something that looks okay when I go out on my daily walks. And I got some comfy items. Well, recently, a couple of months ago, I have a new position in my job. It is temporary, but it is a new position nonetheless. So I sent her a little message saying, help, I need like work clothes and blazers for these meetings where I'm gonna be with higher ups and these Zoom meetings. I need to look presentable. So my last box, if you haven't seen it, I'll link it down below. Go check it out. That was my first one. This is my second one, because when I got that last box, I sent a little message saying, send me more of that. You did good. So let's see what I got this month. Let's jump in, and I'm seeing colors that I already know I love. So let's tear into this. The very first item is a top. I'm not going to go over the prices and stuff. I'll go over that at the very end. It looks like it has buttons. Do the buttons work? Yes, they do. So it is a button top. It is sheer, so like with a blank top, tank top underneath. This would be so super cute. It is long sleeve. Do you see this? And it is folded up, and it has this little button here. You can't see it. It's probably camouflaged because of the design, but I like this. I like that it's not all the way to the end. It kind of probably will come here. And yeah, I like that. I like that it makes it a little bit more casual there. This looks cute, and it has a little pocket here. You can't see it. It is a real pocket with a little button. I like this. It's long, it's open and flowy at the bottom. I I have really big hips, so I don't like to be constricted in my hips, but mostly I love these colors. The dark teal blue, a little bit of green teal there, the hot pinks, purples, blacks, dark navy blues. Those are my jam, you guys. So this is kind of combining everything that I love. I love this. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next one feels like kind of a sweater fabric, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It looks like a snake print, like a sweater with a snake print. Oh my God. Like a really dark purple with a little bit less purple. The dark purple looks so dark that it's almost black. It might be black. It actually kind of matches my nails. Look at that. Okay, shameless plug. I'm a Color Street stylist. If you've never tried Color Street, let me know if you want a free sample. But anyway, moving on. Yeah, it kind of matches my nails. So it's like a snake print, but it definitely feels like sweater fabric. I know I'm not the best at like saying, I see these other Stitch Fix unboxings and they're so good. This is a blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, I wish I knew all those things, but they don't stick in my head. So this is sweater fabric and it's stretchy and I love it. I am a big sweater gal. Oh my God, I am a big sweater gal. I cannot wait to try this. This is right up my alley. Right up my alley. Okay, the next one. Woo, the next one is a black sleeveless top. Now, I prefer sleeves, but I am open to suggestions, especially if it's paired up with something super cute. And it's a very thin, slinky. I like how, I like that this will keep me nice and fresh. Let's see if I can pull this up for you. This is the back. It has a little fold there. I don't know what those are called. I really should learn a little bit more, but I don't. This is why I need Stitch Fix, because I know nothing about fashion. It's all because of Stitch Fix that I even wear. Actually, recognize this, anybody, from a prior Stitch Fix box? Yep, they helped me. I love this. I love this. It doesn't have sleeves, and I don't like sleeveless, but I'm hoping there's something in there that's going to cover my... Let's see, maybe not. Okay, whatever this is completely black. And it's a blazer, a black blazer. So she did have something in there to cover. It has a little folded sleeve, which I love. This is super stretchy, you guys. I like how it looks. Like it has this seam in there, and it rounds off at the bottom, which I really like. And I love this, that the sleeve is like this. It doesn't go all the way to the end, but it's like a stretchy material, but drapey, heavy enough to be drapey. And I like that. I like that it's drapey. I like that it's a little bit heavy, but light, so that I'm not going to be hot when I have my hot flashes. This is the back. So yes. Oh, that goes all the way to the bottom. Okay, so excited to try this. Let's go to the next one. These are pants. Oh my God, these look so fun. So fun. And they are definitely straight leg. I prefer a flared leg, but I will wear straight leg if I like it and if it's comfortable. This feels stretchy, which I need with my curves. So I am super, this is what the back looks like. Very, very simple. Now, normally I don't like a whole lot of pattern on my bootay because I don't want anything causing attention to my big old bootay. But that blazer looked like it was long enough to cover that bootay. So I'm excited to try this. And that was my last item. Okay, shall we go try these on? Let's do it. Keep on watching. Okay, I'm back. What did you guys think? Which one was your favorite? What should I keep and what should I send back? By the way, speaking of sending back, I did forget to show you, where is the bag? Here it is. This is the bag that they send you, and so you just put the items that you don't want in this bag, you seal it up, and you send it off. You don't have to pay anything for it. Okay, so let's review these items. I'm going to put them down here so you don't get a glare. Oh, and by the way, in the box, and I didn't show you this at the beginning, you do get this little note. Oh, hello. And you open it up and you get a note from your stylist, which I will read later on my own. And then they also give you suggestions of how to pair up each item, which I really enjoy, and it's really helpful to me because I don't have that gene that helps you think, oh, this would go good with this or that. I don't have that, so this helps me a lot. And then they also send you in an envelope a letter that says, thanks for letting us style you, and it has each item listed with the price, the total, and then 25% off, and the total with the 25% off if you keep everything. So let's go over them super quickly. And let me mention, because I know that it's so easy to think, oh my God, that is so expensive. Oh my God, I could find this. You know what? If I could find these items where I'm happy with them on my body and I felt good in them, I would so go to a place where I could find them. But I'm telling you, whenever I try, I come out so depressed. So I end up going to these other stores that sell plus size, like Torrid, like Lane Bryant, and I pay so much more. So these prices for me are not out of this world. I'm willing to pay a little bit more if they feel comfortable, if they make me look good, if I love the colors and I love the fabric and I love the feel, you know, I'm willing to do that. So I know some of these can seem a little bit pricey, but sometimes it's worth it for me. So the very first item is French Mauve Melanie Nick tunic blazer, and that is this black blazer, which I love. It's $88. I put it in a hanger. I'm definitely keeping this because I plan to declutter my closet. I have a lot of blazers in there that either fit tight, uncomfortable, and I'm not going to use them. So I'm trying to build up my wardrobe with items that I am going to be using over and over. Okay, the next one is by Daniel Rain, the Lina Crew neck pullover in gray for $68. Now, $68 is a little pricey for me for a pullover, but I love this so much. So much. So much. I love the color. I love the pattern. I love how it feels. It's so soft. I love knits. It's thick enough where it won't show all my little bulges, but thin enough that I'm not going to die when I have a hot flash. So yeah, that's kind of leaning towards staying, but let's keep on going. We'll decide later. The next one is cut from cloth, so cut from cloth with K's, Sinclair button down in purple, and this one is $68. Another one that is a little bit pricey, but I love the colors. I did put a tank top, as you saw, black tank top underneath it, and I will so use this. I will use this over and over. I'm not a big fan of button because I'm kind of busty, not kind of, I am busty, and they tend to open up. So I stay away from buttons, but this one's just so pretty. I feel like I need to make an exception for this. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below, you guys. Okay, second to last, Karl Lagerfeld Paris Magdalene Pearl Detail for $59. Now this is the sleeveless one, and it's also button. So, but I really like that it's black and white. I like the pattern. I'm not a fan of buttons. However, this button has this layer on top. So these tend to not open up a whole lot for me. So it's a little bit of added protection, so I'm not boob flashing somebody. So, and I like the opening here. It's not too big. I was a little bit confused as to where do I button it up all the way. I like the buttons, or do I leave it open? Is that too low? Do I do, you know, I wasn't sure, but I do like this. I like the color, I like the print, I like the fabric. I like how it looks with the blazer. I'm not sure about the pants. Speaking of the pants, let's go to our very last item. Michelle Studio Alex Straight Capri printed in navy for $68. Oh, I thought these were black. It's actually navy. I think these are super cute. I love these zippers. I love that detail. I love that they're stretchy. I'm not in love with how my booty looked even bigger. Did you guys see that? Yeah, I got a big booty, so I don't like to draw attention to it. However, that blazer did hide my booty in this, and they're so comfortable that I'm just really debating, should I really hang on to these or not? Pattern. I might wear this like with a black top, you know, to balance. So I'm not sure. And you know what? I don't even know if these are real. No, they're not. They're just for decor. I probably wouldn't use them anyway, right? Because they're in the front, but I was just curious. So yeah, I don't know about this one. I don't know about this one. And I don't know about this one, even though it's beautiful. I kind of feel like I want to keep it just to try it, because I do feel like I need some tops to have inside a blazer, and I don't have very many. So anyway, that's it. The grand total for this box without the discount is $351. If you do the 25% discount, that is, if you buy everything, every single item, you get $87 off, which brings it down to $263 minus your styling fee that you pay, the monthly fee, $20. They apply that towards a credit towards your purchase. So minus those 20, now we're down to $240. So $240 divided into 5 items, how much does that come out to? See, it ends up being kind of a good deal for me, especially if it's items that I'm really going to use. Anyway, let me know what you thought. Which one was your favorite? Which one should I keep? Which one should I send back? I love to hear from you down in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're interested in Stitch Fix, I will put a referral link down below for you. You don't have to use it. I think I might get like 20 bucks off and you get 20 bucks off or something like that. I never remember, but I will put it down below if you're interested. If not, you can go directly to stitchfix.com. I hope you enjoyed yourself today. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It helps my channel so much, and I am trying to grow my channel again. And please leave me a comment. It makes my day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.